Hi all, I welcome you to this channel, and if you are the first time here, make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video we are discussing some of the technology updates. So the first update, Snapchat desktop app Snap Camera lets you become a DreamWorks style cartoon in Zoom calls. Then US smartphone market grows 27% YOY in H1 2021 and OnePlus emerges as fastest growing vendor, counterpoint. Then LG Display writes LED demand for TVs, laptops to beat Q2 profit estimates. Instagram Reels video length limit expanded to 60 seconds. And new users defaulted to private accounts. ZTE Axon 30 5G with a under-display selfie camera and a Snapdragon 870 SoC launched. Apple, Google parent Alphabet, Microsoft report combined quarterly profits of more than 50 billion. Nothing Ear One True wireless earphones launched in India. Then Netflix buys Will Smith-led action thriller movie Fast and Loose from John Wick director. Nothing Ear One True wireless earphones launched in India. Nokia XR20 with a military-grade build Snapdragon 480 SoC launched. Disney Plus Hotstar unveils new plans now starting at ₹499. Money Heist Season 5 trailer release date set for Monday, August 2. Disney Plus Hotstar unveils 18 new Indian movies and series. Redmi Note 10T 5G, the first Redmi with 5G. OnePlus 90 tipped to not launch this year. Then Netflix buys Will Smith-led action thriller movie Fast and Loose from John Wick director. Huawei Nova 8 SE Vitality Edition with Kirin 710A SoC and 40W fast charging launched. Microsoft sees steady cloud services growth after record quarterly profit. Redmi Book laptop range to debut in India on August 3. So Redmi Book laptop range to debut in India on August 3. Oppo Watch 2 smartwatch with the Snapdragon Wear 4100 SoC debuts. Redmi Book laptop range to debut in India on August 3. Google's data restore tool may allow iOS to Android WhatsApp chat transfer. Battlegrounds Mobile India to return previously non-transferable PUBG items. Then Oppo Reno 6 4G with a Snapdragon 720G SoC and quad rear cameras launched. Google parent Alphabet reaches record quarterly revenue profit in advertising boom. Then WhatsApp users can now keep archived chat threads tucked away forever even if they get a new message. Nothing Ear One transparent true wireless earphones launched. Apple profit nearly doubles to 21.7 billion. And Oppo Reno 6 4G with a Snapdragon 720G SoC and quad rear cameras launched. Then Nothing Ear One transparent true wireless earphones launched. So the new earphones from Nothing feature active noise cancellation and app support. And Nothing Ear One will go on sale on Flipkart on August 17. The charging case supports USB Type-C and wireless charging. The Nothing companion app is available on iOS and Android. So Nothing Ear 1 True Wireless Stereo Earphones have been launched and will be available in India, priced at rupees 5999. And at rupees 5999, the Nothing Ear 1 are considerably more affordable in India than in global markets. So Nothing Ear 1 transparent true wireless earphones launched, and the Nothing Ear 1 will go on sale on Flipkart on August 17. The charging case supports USB Type-C and wireless charging. The Nothing Companion app is available on iOS and Android. So these are some of the technology updates, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.